Emily Mason, where are you? Hello everyone.
Hello.
So today is our first official day of free travel. We're so excited. We had a fun day yesterday. It was our very last day. We went and did some like, I don't even know what you call it. It was like, I don't know, we were just walking around in trees basically on tables. So we're pretty sore today.
Yeah.
We got bruises everywhere.
Bruises everywhere.
But that's okay. So we did that, and then we had a nice like final meal with everyone, and we gave everyone hugs and told them bye.
Very sad.
Yeah, but it was such a fun time. But right now we are at the airport in Munich, and we are headed to Paris today. But we got to make a stop in Amsterdam first, and then get on a plane there and head into Paris. But we should be to Paris around lunch, so this should be a lot of fun. We're so excited. All right, we got to Amsterdam. But our plane left like 30 minutes late, so we gotta run to our next gate. But luckily it's not far. I think we're in C18 and our next gate is C5, so we should be okay. But we're gonna go and probably get right on our flight. Hopefully our luggage makes it on the flight too. We'll see. So we made it to Paris, and we got on a bus. It was like 18 euros to get on a bus, and we drove like 45 minutes to get to our hotel, and we dropped our stuff off. The hotel is really nice. I like it. So good job, Emily. Picked a good one. And so we're gonna go meet Emily and Mason later and go to the Louvre, but right now we decided to grab a little bit of lunch. So we came to like a mall here, and they have like a food court of sorts. And so we're eating at some sandwich place at the food court. I don't really know exactly what I ordered, but I ordered something. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what comes out. So I'll keep you updated. Alright, so we were gonna go to the Louvre, but on our way there we got a text from Emily and Mason, and they said that they were there but they couldn't buy tickets at the door. So we can't go to the Louvre today, so we're gonna try to go tomorrow, I think. But we decided instead to just go ahead and head to Notre Dame. It kind of burned like 2 months ago, so we're gonna see like what all we can see and what all we can do. Yeah, we'll let you know how it goes. Mason, where are you? So yeah, we're just kind of walking around the cathedral looking for him. The cathedral looks so sad because it's got scaffolding all over it, but... Alright everyone, so a lot of time has passed since I last said anything, so we did meet up with Emily and Mason, finally found them over by Notre Dame. And so right now we're actually trying to head to the Eiffel Tower to kind of go there at sunset and stuff, but we got on the tram, but like the tram was broken and we literally stayed on there for like 20 minutes with nothing happening. So we decided to get off and we're gonna Uber, but luckily we got off like just the right spot because look what's behind me. It's Arc de Triomph. Hey, so I was looking for that and then we just kind of got off and found it, so yay, I guess that kind of worked out. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get an Uber instead. I think we see our driver, so we're gonna go meet him and then head to the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower, but there's like glass all around it. Hello Mason. There's glass all around it, so we don't know how to get in, so we're just gonna kind of walk around until we find an opening and then we're gonna head on in there. Alright, we just got done watching the light show at the Eiffel Tower. We didn't really know what time it started, but we waited a while and it started at 11 because the sun doesn't go down until really late here. There's the Eiffel Tower behind me. And now we're gonna call an Uber and we're gonna head back to the hotel. Hello everyone, so we got back to the hotel and we had an awesome first day in Paris today. Me and Allison got in around lunch. We saw Notre Dame, but of course we couldn't go in because y'all saw there were like construction fences all around it. So we took a nice little nap today, had about like an hour and a half nap just in the middle of the day. We were just tired, we needed it. And then you saw what we did tonight. We ate an awesome dinner and we saw the Arc and the Eiffel Tower, and it was just an awesome first day in Paris. And tomorrow we're heading out early and we're going to the Palace of Versailles, so that will also be an awesome day. So I'm really looking forward to it. I have to wake up early because I have to do laundry because I'm literally 100% out of clothes, so I need to go wash everything that I own. So because I gotta wake up early, I'm gonna try to go to bed, but it should be a great day tomorrow, and I will catch y'all then.